SS fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your delicious, crunchy chin chin. So we're going to be needing 3 cups of flour, like so. Then you're going to be putting all your dry ingredients first. So this is nutmeg, but just for flavor's sake, I'm going to be putting just a pinch of nutmeg, like so. Then ½ cup of sugar, like so. Teaspoon of baking powder. This is already measured. This is also 1 tablespoon of salt, just like so. Whatever flavor you like when you're doing your baking is totally fine. If you don't like sugar, you can always reduce your sugar to the way you like it. Now I'm going to be adding Nigerian milk, which is I'm going to be adding powder milk, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of powder milk. Now that we have all our dry ingredients in, all we need to do is give it a stir, like so. Stir everything together, just like that. Now that we're done stirring and we are sure everything is well mixed, you just boil a hole like that in the middle. Then put your margarine. You can use butter, it's the same thing. My hand is always clean. Anytime you see me saying hello SS fan, just know that my hand is already clean. Then cut it in, just like that. No time to waste, no time to check time on a surprise time. My kids are always in the building. They are joining me to laugh. Just keep mixing, go, like that. So now that we are done mixing the butter with all the dry ingredients, now we're going to be introducing our egg. Boil it whole as usual. And this is just 2 eggs. Cut. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't just subscribe and leave it there. Turn on the notification bell so you will be VIP. So that each time we upload a video, you will be notified that SS Fam just uploaded a video. Thank you so much for always watching our video. Your support means the world to me. You see, now that is looking like this, we're going to be introducing our water. Guys, you can see the surrounding is kind of a little bit messy because of the flour. Don't worry, I'll clean it up. So just boil a whole like that. You can use milk. So just be going gently like so. It's a gradual process whenever you're adding water to your dough. Whatever thing you're making, when you're adding water or you're adding milk, be sure that you do it gradually. Always make sure your dough is not too thick and it's not too soft. Just like so. See? It's not sticky in my plate. I'm just going to put a little bit of water, just like that. So that's how our dough is looking. Now just going to put a little bit of flour here on the surface, in a clean surface. Then place your dough and work it. Work. Our dough is ready. So you see, dough is ready now. So just place a little bit like this here and place our dough inside and cover it for 10 to 15 minutes just to rest. Keep it aside. Guys, 10 minutes later, here is our dough. It has rested enough. Then sprinkle your powder in the clean surface and place it here. I'm just going to like cut it into two, like so. Keep one aside, then just work with one. I'm going to sprinkle some more, then get our roller. And flip it. I don't want it to be too thin. So I'm not over rolling it so that it will not be too flat. Just like this. I'm going to get my cutter, so I just rub it on my flour like that. Cut it out. Just going to do a sprinkle on top. Don't want everything sticky together. Now, I'm just going to turn on my gas. Sorry for the noise, that's how my gas normally makes noise. So now, we're not going to put it on the super boil or high. We're going to just put it on the medium. Medium is like 5 or 6. Use any olive oil or vegetable oil of your choice. Like so. So that's the quantity I'm going to be needing. I'm just going to cut it out like so. So guys, in all of my video you will always hear my kids talking in the background. They are my squad. I'm going to do 2 parts, oven baked and the one I'm going to fry. So this one is going to go into the oven. This is the oil we're going to be using. So for you to be sure if your oil is ready, just take one and put it in like so. You see? That's how you want it. So now that it's looking like that, you know that your oil is hot enough. So we're going to be putting more of our dough like that. So just push it aside. So now that this one is frying, I'm going to set my oven for bake, then 350, then put a timer of 30 minutes and start. This is going in the oven. Let's see. It's not getting brown yet, so just go leave it. Always fry with a medium heat. So you can see now the golden brown is starts to appear gradually. So some people might like to cut their chicken like this, very very small, very tiny. But some people can cut it giant. Chicken is chicken. Just cut it any way you like. There's no special preference of cutting it. So this is it. It's coming together very soon to be perfectly brown. When it is golden brown, that's when you bring it on fire. So guys, you see the oven is coming nicely together. So as soon as it's looking like this, guys, you can't stop stirring now. You have to keep stirring so it will not get burnt. So you will not wait until it is completely over brown before you start bringing it out. Now that it's looking like this, now I'm going to start bringing it out, because as soon as I bring it out like this, it's still going to keep because of the heat and the hotness, it's going to continue there and then to turn perfectly brown, 100%. Then put my toilet paper. So I can always improvise, so I can't find my small filter, so I decided to use the big one. Oh my word, guys. This is, are you guys seeing that goody brown? See? It's so perfect. Don't go anywhere. If you have watched to this extent, don't go anywhere. Don't forget the oven only still coming. So you guys are going to see the difference. And you tell me which one you like most. I always do 2 types. If you are trying to be healthy, you don't want oil, you can always bake in the oven. Wow, oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. This is how the chin is looking. This is subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If I use a grill, I don't know why my own grill is not reducing. It's just going to be like 500. That will be too high and the chicken will get burnt. And I don't want that. So this is 350 that I'm using. I don't know why I cannot reduce my own grill to 350. So I'm just going to turn them all like this, just the way I'm doing it. Then put it back in the oven. And I will show you when it is finished, when it is ready. So guys, this is the perfect fried one. Then I want to do something, guys. Look. Can you guys hear that? When I tell you it's crunching, I'm not joking. Look, for the oven bake, listen. Perfect crunching chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, I can't stop eating it. My kids has even reduced it, you see. So when I brought it, I was not like that. Holy Spirit. Guys, I don't know if it is the Nigerian powder milk. This is on another level. Without Nigerian powder milk, I can perceive it. I can taste it from it. I can't stop eating it. Please like, subscribe, and share. We love you, SS fam. Thank you for watching. Peace. We out.